communications intern at CBRE on behalf of the McKesson account. And for my project this summer, I was asked to help create a business communication education series that will act as a refresher on such topics as email structure, business and phone meeting protocol, mobile communications protocol, and much more. This week's topic will be covering email structure. Email is the most widely used form of communication here at the CBRE McKesson account, and because of that, we must always hold ourselves to a very high standard when communicating with emails between ourselves and through our customers. So, what helps to create good email structure? Things like a descriptive subject line, proper use of white space, always including your questions at the beginning of the email, including your signature block, proofreading your email, and for more, please see the attached PowerPoint. Thank you very much for joining us. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we also hope that you will join us in 2 weeks for our next segment on phone and business meeting protocol. Thank you very much, and goodbye.